Good day, everyone. I'm making this video to just upload a video because it's been a while since the last time I've uploaded a video on my channel, and actually I've had a lot of videos on my computer that I need to edit and upload on my channel, but I don't have this kind of eagerness and enthusiasm to edit them and upload on my channel. And recently I just started buying ornamental fish like goldfish and koi's and other fishes, and I had them outside. So I wanted to share my experience to you guys, but I kind of don't have that feeling to take a video and upload it on my channel. But I'm trying because I want to keep my channel alive, and I've noticed that the subscribers on my channel slowly going down, and I'm kind of worried about it. And lately I haven't uploaded any video that I used to upload, like unboxing, product review, and also song covers. I haven't done that for a while. But yeah, as I've said, I wanted to share you guys my experience, journey of buying those fishes, ornamental fishes. And also I'm planning to buy plants to pair it with the fish that I just bought in, to have that kind of gardini. I don't know if that's a term, gardini ambience outside. So I wanted to start it with this one to just let you know that yeah, I'm still alive. I'm still kicking and doing well, and hopefully I'll be able to come back and upload a video on a regular basis. So that's all for this video, and I hope you guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.